Gruene House Med Spa is so much more than a medical spa. We are a complete wellness center. We believe everyone deserves a chance at looking and feeling their best without breaking the bank. All of our medical procedures are overseen by a licensed, board-certified physician, so you can rest assured knowing that treatments are delivered by trained professionals. Our mission here at Gruene House Med Spa is to provide an atmosphere of professionalism, personal attention, and excellence in care. We strive to do this through utilizing the highest quality and the most advanced research technology. We also focus on educating our clients on maintaining health and wellness and how to treat and prevent the signs of aging. Gruene House Med Spa has been open since 2015, and we have locations in San Antonio, New Braunfels, and Seguin. To get started on your anti-aging journey, call and schedule a free consultation today.